Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing with ETFs for long-term wealth, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in ETFs can be a rewarding way to build long-term wealth. Start by understanding what an ETF is. An exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a collection of assets traded on an exchange. ETFs can include stocks, bonds, or commodities. Now, research the different types of ETFs available in the market. Consider broad market ETFs that track major indices. Look into sector-specific ETFs that focus on particular industries. Explore international ETFs for global diversification. Next, assess your investment goals and risk tolerance. Determine how long you plan to invest your money. Decide how much capital you can allocate to ETFs. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online broker that offers ETF trading. Ensure they provide educational resources for beginners. Once your account is set up, fund it with your initial investment. Now, use your broker's platform to research ETFs. Look at performance history, expense ratios, and holdings. Evaluate the liquidity of the ETFs you're considering. Select a few ETFs that align with your investment strategy. Allocate your funds evenly or based on your confidence in each ETF. Consider dollar cost averaging as a way to spread out your investment. This approach can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Keep an eye on your investments and review them regularly. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors. Finally, be patient and stick to your long-term strategy. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying committed will help you build wealth over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.